How to make a backup code in Roblox. For this, open up a preferred browser and search for roblox.com in the search bar or launch the Roblox application if you already have one. So you can do this process from your PC or your mobile easily. Once you are logged in, tap on the setting gear icon and head to the option of settings. Right here in your left hand side, you will see some of the options. Select this security one right here. Now wait for the options to totally load. Now right here on the two-step verification, you will find this option of hardware security keys that is supported on web browsers, iPhone and iPad. So you can use this key as an extra layer of protection to log in. To enable it, simply go ahead and toggle on this option of hardware security keys. Then tap on OK. For this, you'll be needing an authenticator app. You can use Google Authenticator. To verify that it is really you, go ahead and enter a password, then tap on Continue. Once your Google Authenticator application is downloaded, go ahead and scan this QR using the application. Once you have scanned the QR code, you will get a generated code. You have to go ahead and enter the code right here. Now every time when you try to log in to your Roblox, you have to use a backup code generated by the Authenticator app itself. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.